Centers, nature's secret cipher. In the name of exploration, we probe the fabric of time. Facing the canvas of eon sedimentation, we trace the ancient patterns. Capture the mountain's breath and the stream's cadence. Unlocking the stone's ancient imprints, we move in harmony with time and embrace nature's force. Within every fissure, we unveil untold beauty and discover new possibilities. Distilling the essence of the present, we forge Nabel's signature edge, making every inch of our center stone carry the majestic memory of nature's creation. The future is always hidden in the unpolished jade. We never halt our march of innovation, always advancing, always exploring the unknown. Nabel Sintered, from nature, beyond nature.